Maddie, check it out. I got a thumb ring. This is like Cali cool, right? Please say it is, because I can't get it off. Oh, dang it. It's a part of me now.
Hey, I just got the grant to build tiny houses.
No way!
Yeah.
That's great!
Yeah.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
What?
It means that I have to leave for New Orleans tomorrow, which then means that we can't spend the summer together.
I don't understand.
I know. I mean, I'm so sorry, Diggy. Like, I know you came down here to spend the whole summer with me, but I really feel like this is something that I have to go do.
No. I don't understand why that means we can't spend the summer together. I'll come with you. Maddie, wherever you are is where I want to be.
I love you, Digbert Smalls.
I love you too.
Oh, what a sweet scene. But full disclosure, I'm a Josh fan. Yeah, Team Mosh, forever. There you are, Falcon.
Falcon? I don't know any Falcon.
Put it on.
Please don't kill me. Don't kill me for stealing your essence.
Kill you. Joey, I love Falcon.
Really? You're not mad I ripped you off?
Oh, Joey. Falcon is good, but you can't do me better than me. So says Dump Truck. Au revoir, bits and pieces. You were too beautiful for this world.
Wait, so this is it? I'm never gonna talk to the camera ever again? Well, who'll listen to me now?